In today's tutorial we will have a look where this aromatic heterocycle called Pyrrole will be protonated. This is a very interesting question because a proton is some kind of test electrophile. The position where this test electrophile will attack this heterocycle will be the same position where electrophilic aromatic substitution will take place. For instance, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, or an electrophilic bromination. So the first idea, of course, is, well, we have the free electron pair at the nitrogen, and this should be basic, and there should be the protonation here to this structure. But this idea is wrong because that electron pair is not free. It is part of the aromatic system. You know, Huckel rule, 6 pi electrons, cyclic conjugation, planar system. Well, here we have this one structure. If we protonate, for instance, in 3 position, we get to this structure. Also, the aromatic system is destroyed. But in this case, we can draw a second mesomeric structure, stabilization of the cationic charge through participation of the then free electron pair of the nitrogen, so 2 mesomeric structures. And if we protonate in the 2 position here, then we have 3 mesomeric structures overall. And in this case, we just can count 3, 2 and only 1 mesomeric structure means that this one is best stabilized and therefore energetically favored. This with 2 of those structures, mesomeric structures, is quite okay. And here, this one we can put in brackets. This will not take place very often. So, let us compare the protonation of Pyrrole to the protonation of Indole. It's of course closely related to the Pyrrole, since this is a benzoanylated Pyrrole in principle. So, in case of Pyrrole, the 2 position was best. Let us try the 2 position for the protonation. Okay, we get to this structure, and this can be mesomerically, in principle, stabilized. This is a benzylic position. You know, cations in benzylic position are rather good stabilized by interaction with the aromatic ring. Well, okay, then we could draw a second structure with a positive charge there, then a third one, positive charge there, a fourth one here, and that electron pair at the nitrogen can also participate. This would be the 5th mesomeric structure. 5 mesomeric structures overall. If we protonate in 3 position, we have only 2 mesomeric structures. It's the same as here with Pyrrole. But now there comes the surprise. This is nevertheless the best possibility for the stabilization, because here we have 2 mesomeric structures with the aromatic ring still being intact. Here we have only 1 mesomeric structure with an intact benzene ring. the other four mesomeric structures, then we don't have the aromatic system anymore. And one additional mesomeric structure with intact aromatic system overcompensates in this thermodynamic consideration for the stabilization, overcompensates the other four mesomeric structures with a destroyed aromatic system. This is quite okay, but this is clearly the best possibility for the stabilization of the cationic system after protonation at the indole ring system. So that means an electrophilic substitution at the indole system will take place preferentially at the 3 position, while the electrophilic substitution at the Pyrrole system will take place at the 2 position. Thanks for listening.